Hey, what's up, dentcoin holders? So I have two good news for all dentcoin, my brother, because the terrible condition, my friend, is going now, and especially from last 7 days, they completely fails down in the last 7 days. So it's priority, my friends, for all coin. Dent is one of the fastest coin, my friend, in the graph room market. Let's see. I have two good news for all of you, my friend. I know, my brother, all is very sad, my friend, because Dent is day by day, my friends, fell down. So therefore, absolutely, I'm also holder. So therefore, I'm also very sad. Let's see, my friends, the good news. Absolutely, after this video, my friends, you are very happy, and absolutely, I hope you are in the profit, my friend. After this video, you can see, my friend, the last 1 hour update is absolutely on the screen. And first of all, I updating you, and after update, my friend, after declare this coin, and I also give you, my friend, the good news. So let's see, my brother. But kindly, before I get started the video, I request you to subscribe this channel. Subscribe this channel. Click the red button. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. The last 1 hour update is on the screen, minus 3.69%. They falls down. They completely the profit. You can see the price is and the very badly falls down and decreasing very fastly. So you can see, my friend, this time they falls down. Remember this fails, my friend. I hope they will change into good news, my brother. So let's see. The last 24-hour chart is on the screen. You can see, my brother. And after a fails, my friend, after a fails, they take a jump. You know why they after a fails they take a jump? Especially the short-term investor. When short-term investor is holding, they are holding. When they are investing, then exactly they are completely go in the moon. Definitely after a jump, after a fails, you can see, my friends, they take a jump. So exactly after this fails, they also take a very good jump. So it's mean to upcoming time. Exactly, my friends, they go in the moon very fastly. Don't see the short fails. You can see here this is short fails. You can see here, my friends. So don't see the short fails. Absolutely, you see just big fails and big jumps, my friend. Absolutely, you can see here this time the big jump is coming soon. So you need, this is one good news. This is first good news, my friends, for all of you. To after this fails, they also take a very good jump, and the good time is coming soon. So minus 9.99% they fails down, but I hope they will, my friends, change into 50% absolutely, and the profit, my friends, when they're starting moving upward. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. All, let's come to the second point. The second point of second good news is that, my friends, for all Dentcoin holder, to the giveaway is coming soon. If you just subscribe this channel, if you complete my 10,000 subscriber, I do a giveaway of Dentcoin. So just subscribe this, click the red button, and also press the bell icon for videos. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.